Good day, good day, good day, Divergence traders. Okay, I had a line on here. I was looking for the sell side in here, but it went sideways and then it went higher. So that didn't happen. So we'll erase that line now. Bye-bye. And that one. 5 minutes said don't sell. And so did the 2 minute say don't sell here. Don't sell. Looks like, well, I don't know for sure. It's possible we could go up to the high of yesterday. That would be pretty freaky, huh? Yeah. Very hard to buy when it's slowly trending up. Yeah. And there's a reason. You don't want to buy it because you don't know if you bought the top and it's going to go down. You don't want to sell it because the market could go up. That's why it's always good to wait for the setup. So there was no setup here. There was no divergence, even though we had the low and lower low. This valley is deeper than this one. There's no divergence to buy in here and all the way up. However, this is the MNQ. If we go to the 5 minute, look what we have here. Something very, very nice. Yeah. We have lower lows, okay? You know how I love the lower lows. Without the lower lows and higher highs, you have no reason to buy it or sell it. Okay? Like, I was just watching this stream. I won't say where I was watching it or anything, but they all wanted to sell it up in here. I think they were selling down here too. Anyway, it took off up and hit their stops, and that was the end of that. But me, I knew not to sell because on the 5 minute, where's the 5? The 5 is far above the 7. And when the 5 is above the 7, no selling. No selling. If anything, you want to buy a dip, right? Not chip and dip. You want to buy a dip. So here's the dip. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay? Here's another lower close right here, but it's pretty far from the 5. But anyway, you could have got in up here. Could have bought it, and up it goes. Any dip is good. And there was dips in here because of the wicks. So anyway, there's the trade for today. It was on the 5 minute time frame. So if we would have got long here, you had max potential of 560 ticks. I also want to state that this whole numbers indicator right here, okay, like 19,500. The other day when I said, you know, certain amount of ticks, I think I said it was 1,600 and something. Yeah, that was not correct. That was not correct. But anyway, because I have in this indicator here, my whole numbers indicator and my 50s, that's one indicator, I had it set instead of in 50s and hundreds, I had it set in 25 and 50s for the S&P. So anyway, I got it all straightened out. The adjustment, you'll see in a sec when I show you the S&P. But you can see it's right on now. See here, right here, 19,700, and then we have 19,600, you know, and we have 19,050, 650 right here, okay, 19,500 down here. We got the correct setting for this indicator on the right instrument. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I hope I didn't confuse you. I almost confused myself. Holy sheep shit, eh? Yeah. So that's the trades on the MNQ. And now I'll pull over. Actually, let me. Yeah. Now I'll pull over the mess, the ES, yeah. And on the 2 minute, did it have divergence? Well, if we drew it from here down to here, and you can do that, okay? The guy who taught me this, I asked him that question. He said, oh yeah, no problem. So you can cut right through here if there's something in the middle. No problemo. It will still work. So this over here. So we can't draw it from this one and this one because they both would be pointing down. Okay? So here's the entry point right here. Right on that candle, and it went up. Oh, now she's going to come down. Okay. Yes. So this was a nice trade also. So if we would have got in, even say right here, a little bit above, our max potential was 104 points or ticks, whatever you want to call them. And it was a great trade to the upside. Yes, indeed. It was a great trade. There's lots of lower close. Here's a hook down right here, or hook up, I should say. And a lower close right here. Buy it. Oh, look at it tumbling. Those guys I was watching today who were looking for the sells in here, oh, their just timing was off a little bit. It went up and it got their stop. But anyway, nobody likes to get their stop hit. Yeah. You see, there's divergence up here. We got higher highs, okay? And a lower high on the indicator. So obvious right here, there was no selling for me or with this divergence system that I use, okay? So if they were trading the way I trade, they would be, you know, they would have just got in this trade here. They wouldn't have got in here or down here or wherever the hell they got in. They would have got in right here. And I can't get in right here because I'm shooting the fucking video. I was waiting to short it too, but I was waiting for the setup. And then that is when the 5 crosses down below and the candle closes down with a nice bearish candle, you know, with higher highs or a double top up here, and the stop goes right here at the high, and as you can see, it's already hit the target. Okay, let me show you. So you would have got short right in here. The stop is right there. See, 26 points or ticks. You already would have hit your take profit. And this is a little high actually. But that's probably where I would have put it. There's the correct place. See, you would have hit your target right there. Right there. Beautiful thing. So anyway, that is it for that's it for the S&P and the NASDAQ. And now we'll look at MetaTrader. So we'll check everything else out on MetaTrader. There. Okay. So as you can see, this is the NASDAQ. You can see on the 5 minute, like I already showed you. Beautiful. Would have got long in there and up it went. Went up 150 ticks. That's a NASDAQ, or points. And here's the S&P. Did we have divergence here also on the 5 minute? Oh yeah. Lower lows right there. Like that. And you would have got long right on the opening of this candle, and up it went. Yes, indeed. And then the Dow, what did the Dow do? Oh, crap. It always seems to give a trade here after all the action. Really weird. But it's just the way it is. Double top right there. And that going down there. And the sell was on the opening of that candle there. And it went down 49 points. Yeah, you would have got your 1-to-1 on this one too. Pound dollar, we'll quickly look at it. Oh, look at that, eh? Big roaming hills here, but it was still divergent. Still divergent, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Yes, indeed. You would have got long right in there. And it went up around 30 pips right there. Pound dollar, euro. Oh, yeah, same kind of, almost. Anyway, yeah, right there. That little one here on this side was screaming at you to buy it. And right there, boom, you would have bought it. And it went up. 13 pips. Shh, shh. Don't tell anybody. That's a lot of pips. Pound yen, what did you do? Oh, look at the beautiful divergence up here. Woo! Higher highs, you draw a line to it on the chart first, then on the indicator second. If it all lines up, you sell it right here, and fucking down it goes. Right there, boom. And down it goes. 100 pips. And then you had a low and lower low. Oh. Yeah, it's still divergent. I thought it wasn't for a second. It's divergent right there. And you would have got long right in there. It went up 40, around 40 points, pips, 40 pips. Euro yen, what did you do? Oh my goodness. Yeah, same trade, see? it's so funny. That's so funny. I think it's funny. Yeah. See that? Beautiful. Sell right here. Right here. And it went down 100 pips too. Wow. Okay. That is it for those markets, basically. Now we're going to look at oil. Yeah, oil yesterday went up majorly because of something in, some news somewhere. That's all I'll say. And look at today, they're selling it back down. You bastards. Bastard! You bastards! But look at the beautiful divergence right here. Ding, ding, or ding, or ding. Yeah, right there's good. And right here. Down to here. You would have sold it in there. Went down 33 pips. Your stop was 16 pips. You would have got 2-to-1 on that trade. And then we had another trade like that right there. And right there. And right in here, you would have sold it. To the bottom, went down about 85 pips. Okay? There, you can see it better now. Went down 85 pips to the bottom. Entry right there. or right there, one of the two places, and your stop would have been right there at the swing high. It did come back up to scare you a little bit, but it did not come and get your stop right up here. You would have been safe in that trade, all the way down to the bottom. And then we have gold. Yeah, what do we have? Let's see. All right, did that backwards because I wanted to see if it would work first. And it did work. We had lower lows, and we would have bought it right there, and up it goes. 93 to the top, 113 ticks or points on gold. All right, so that's it for the markets that we cover, and then we'll take a look at Bitcoin. It's down. Yeah, so is XRP. Oh, they're buying it back up a little bit. Okay. Silver, yeah, it's still sticking out up there. And Ethereum is, yeah, way down, way down. Something's spooking those markets. Don't know what or whatever, but anyway, something it was spooking it. Spooky, spooky. All right. Once again, it is Tuesday, August 27th, 2024. And my name is Jason Sweezy. I specialize in divergence and also other setups, but divergence is my main course of how I trade. And I hope you keep coming here and learning more and making more, because that's the name of the game. So anyway, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And a good luck and a good trading. Have a great day.